Dear students, today we will learn multiplication of decimal fractions. In that first one, multiplication by 10, 100, 1000, etc. To multiply a decimal fraction by 10, 100, 1000, etc., move the decimal point in the multiplicand by as many places to the right as there are zeros in the multiplier. For example, 0.375 into 10. What we have to do? We have to move the decimal point in the multiplicand by as many places to the right as there are zeros in the multiplier. Here how many zeros are there? 1 0. So we have to move the decimal point in the multiplicand 3.75. Second example, 0.375 into 100. So we have to move decimal point after 2 digits, 37.5. Third example, 0.375 into 1000. In multiplier, how many zeros are there? 3 zeros. So we have to move decimal point after 3 digits, 375. Let's learn multiplication by whole number. For example, multiply 17.25 by 15. How we can multiply decimal fraction by whole number? Let's see. Multiply the multiplicand with the multiplier as in common multiplication. But it is important to know where to put the decimal point. We can multiply the multiplicand with the multiplier as in common multiplication. 5 5s are 25. So I will write 5 here and 2 carry. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So I will write 2 here and 1 carry. 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 1 36. So I will write 6 here. 3 carry. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. Next, 1 5s are 5. 1 2s are 2. 1 7s are 7. 1 1s are 1. Next, we have to add both the products. 5 7 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. So I will write 1 carry. 1 plus 1 is 2. Next, in multiplicate, how many decimal places are there? 2 decimal places. So the product should have the same number of decimal places as the multiplicand. Here the multiplicand has 2 decimal places. So we have to put decimal point after the 2 digits from left side. So the answer is 258.75. Let's learn multiplication of a decimal fraction by a decimal fraction. Let us find the product of 0.45 into 0.3. Here multiplicand and multiplier both are decimal fractions. So we can write 0.45 into 0.3 is equal to 45 by 100 into 3 by 10. Here I will do the rough work. 45 into 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So 45 into 3 is equal to 135. 100 into 10 is equal to 1000. Next we have to write 135 by 1000. by 1000 is equal to 0.135. Here we can see that there are 2 decimal places in the multiplicand and 1 decimal place in the multiplier and 3 decimal places in the product. Today's homework: solve exercise 10C and 10D in your maths notes.